Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to be taking a walk around this beautiful, freshly built 2026 Ram 3500 Limited Rig Ready Ram, guys. So we did a 3-inch BDS lift kit on this one, some nice 22-inch wheels, 35-inch tires. You're going to have the 6.7 Cummins engine underneath the hood here, adaptive cruise control in the front, ZF8 transmission. You're going to have your tow mirrors, mirror lights here, blind spots, and heated mirrors on this one as well. Power running boards on this one. You're going to get the beautiful limited mats in this, as well as all the accents. 10.25-inch passenger screen for you. Taking a look into the rear side here, guys, so you can see you're going to have tons and tons of leg room, heated seats in the rear, 4 different charging ports, as well as an outlet there for you guys. Got the custom Rig Ready Ram mud flaps on there, backup camera already installed, soft dropping tailgate for you. Back here you're going to have Bedliner, bed hooks, bed lighting, as well as fifth wheel prep. So this truck is built to work for you from day one, guys. Coming around here, diesel, DEF. You're going to have your rear sliding window up here. Taking a look back here, your seats will also lift up for you guys. This will fold over, giving you guys some extra room back here to store some things if you want to. 360 cameras on this one. Coming around the front, you're going to have your beautiful 14.4-inch display in this one, column shifter, adjustable pedals, memory seats, upgraded sound system, power windows, locks, all that good stuff. Anything you want, guys, this truck has. If it interests you, give us a shout, 780-942-3629.